Okay guys, so we've got routine maintenance, we've got weekly maintenance. We're shocking our tub with the oxidizing shock as we use it, and we're adding that 1 cap or 1 ounce per person every time that we get out of the spa to shock it. And we're checking our levels with our test strips and making sure that our pH, alkalinity, and our chlorine's good. You're doing a great job. So every 6 months, okay, don't forget that mineral cartridge, that EcoPure cartridge, it has to be replaced. It's like one of those drinking cartridges for your refrigerator. They only last so long before you have to replace them. There's not an indicator on the spa that says it's empty. So it's up to you to remember every 5 to 6 months you should be throwing it away and replacing it with the brand new charge filter. And you know we always carry them in stock, and we have our online store for you guys so you can buy right off the internet from us, or you can call us directly to our store line, and our folks here will gladly help you over the phone and get you what you need. We're always offering you bundles and specials. Just remember, every 6 months, replacing your EcoPure charge filter. Super important.